Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title E2R2 Energy Efficient and Reliable Routing for Mobile Wireless Sensor Network. The project abstract: wireless sensor networks WSNs are resource constrained. Energy is the only of the most important resources in such networks. Therefore, optimal use of energy is necessary. In this paper, we present a novel energy routing protocol for WSN. In the novel energy efficient, we are makes a certain route path related to the greedy process we are processing in it. After we consider the mobility in the sensor nodes and in the base station. Proposed protocol is hierarchical cluster based. Each cluster consists of one head cluster head nodes. This cluster head makes the destination intermediate node and reach the destination in it. There are two depth nodes, CH nodes, and some ordinary sensor nodes. Declustering time and energy requirements are minimized by introducing the concept of CH panel. At the initial stage of the protocol, the base station selects a set of probable CH nodes and forms the CH panel. Considering the reliability aspect of the protocols, it puts best efforts to ensure a specified throughput level at the base station. Depending on the topology of the network, the data transmission from the CH nodes to the base station is carried out either directly or in multi-hop fashion. More alternate paths are used for data transmission between a CH node and the base station. Rigorous simulation results depict the energy efficiency throughput and the prolonged lifetime of the nodes. Under the influence of the proposed protocols, future scope of this work is outlined. In this process, the proposed protocol mentioned that the reverse simulation process, we provide a certain cluster node as intermediate node to transmit from the source to destination in data. The related process makes that the efficiency and the reliability to be increased in data. By choosing the cluster node as intermediate node, the efficiency should be increased because the direct transmission can be done related to the source to nodes and the nodes to destination in data. Our data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram, first we start from the users related to the processor. In the users, the file selection can be done and the file selection can be done. After that, the data packets can be sent in by selecting the intermediate node. After the condition can be in the condition to provide the data transmitted through the intermediate node, and the data delay can be calculated, and the delay can be set related to the total processing time in it. After that, the data can be updated in it, and the delay can be calculated. The prediction efficiency and the reliability can be calculated. The certain process can be done. The result can be provided as a graph. In the graph, it mentioned that the certain delay nodes and the remaining time can be calculated, and the node delay can be calculated in it. After that, the efficiency and the reliability can be calculated during the data transmission, and the result can be mentioned also in a graph. Here, the cluster can be formed related to the intermediate node, and it's shown as the intermediate node in it. Cluster head can be shown as the intermediate node to transmit the data from source to destination to increase the efficiency and the reliability in it. Let's start our project demo for E2R2 energy efficient and reliable routing for mobile wireless sensor network. This is our home page. First click on home.java, right click on it, run file. After that, the home page. This is our home page. Click anywhere on the home page. This is our login page. If you are a new user or existing user, if you are existing user, you give a username and password. So click on new user and fill the details. The details are filled, and the email can be verified, and after that the registration can be processed. Using the user ID and the password, the login process can be done. Here is the wireless node can be created. The nodes can be deployed in it, and the source can be selected. Chain can be selected in it. After that, the the server can be selected. I'm choosing the 2 versus server selected. The destination can be placed, and here it makes it increase the efficiency in it. The certain process can be, and the algorithm can make that find the certain path during the wireless sensor nodes. Here the destination can be placed through the certain server and the connector. The file can be chosen in it. It's the source node, and the file can be chosen. I'm choosing any of the file. The content present in it. Then the file can be split. The file can be split after the file splitting. Certain process can be done. This is the node information, total number of nodes plotted, and the source and the destination can be. This is the file information and the number of files splitted in it. And the path can be selected through it. Here is the distance calculated through the certain servers and from the source to destination, and the path can be predicted to find the intermediate node. Using the distance and the bandwidth, the path can be predicted. Here the chosen server can be placed in it, giving a certain path, and the forwarding. After that, the node 1.java can be run in it. This receiving port can be read. After verifying the receiving port, the file can be transferred, and after that node 2 can be run in it. Here the same receiving port can be given. This forwarding port can be given. The same forwarding port. The file can be received, and after that the second process can be node 3 can be run. Here the certain process can be run. The receiving port and the forwarding port can be matched to see the next file. If the port doesn't matches, the file cannot be transferred. After the destination file can be transferred through it. Here the file can be received in it. Here this is the file name received, and the receiving file order can be created and reorder the file. If you are splitting the file into 2 or 3 packets, means the file order can be changed during the file transmission. So here the file can be reordered and can be merged in it. This is the delay and the distance calculated during the file transfer from it. In this graph, it presents the processing time and the remaining time. This is the total time allocated for the file transmissions, and this is the node delay between the nodes. For example, if intermediate node from to destination, there is an intermediate node. The node delay can be mentioned later. This is the remaining time and the processing time. If the process time is reduced, the efficiency is normal and the reliability is high. Due to the reliability is high, the certain process can be done in it. Thanks for listening.